Hello, my name's Tia. I'm a wig coach and a wig educator on YouTube, and I am here for Tia Maria Wigs, and we are going to do an unboxing of a bunch of the styles from the Alexander Couture collection for Rene Paris. So if you want to see try on with some of these styles, then you are in the right place. All right, let's get started. You can purchase all of these styles in your desired color at tmwigs.com, or you can message me directly and we can talk about which styles work for you, what ones you want to order, and I can get them ordered for you. We're going to start off with Amara, and she's in the color Bubblegum R. I will be doing separate reviews on all these, but we're just going to do a quick unboxing. Ooh. Let's see. This is a very, very interesting color. Again, look for the full reviews on these. I'm just doing an unboxing here. All the details will be down below as to what the wig is, the color, and also the purchasing details. Oh my goodness. This does have sort of this hint of pink and lavender that is really, really heavy and hot right now. This is a full cap wig. There are no combs. There are adjustable straps. And so let's see what she looks like. I have not tried this style before. Ooh, okay. She does have bendable ear tabs. Oh, wow. Well, that's cute. That is so cute. Do you see that hint of pink in there? Oh, my. She's got a nice reading on her. Yeah. So this is Amara in the Bubblegum R. All right, let's check out our next one. I'm so excited. Next up, we have Amara again, but in a dark chocolate. When I do the full review on these, I will do both the colors together so you can kind of see like the lighter versus the darker and kind of get more of an idea of what you'd be interested in. But let's take a look at her in the dark chocolate. This is a medium brown. I would say probably like a number 4, maybe a 4-6. Yeah, a beautiful number 4. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's pretty. Of course, you have to mess around with where you want the bangs and how you want it to look, but this is the try-on for the Amara. So you've seen her in 2 colors now. Next up, I have Suzanne in the color Silverstone. I was so excited to get this color to see what it's all about. So let's see what it's all about. Oh, okay. I like it. As I'm getting Suzanne out, if you haven't given this video a thumbs up, go ahead and do that. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, then go ahead and do that so that you can be notified and see all the different reviews on the different wigs. We're going to do color comparisons and everything that you're going to need to know for your purchasing needs. Okay, and this, again, full cap wig, and she looks like she's got definitely, oh yeah, a longer bang. Ooh, okay. Ooh, I really like that. I like when it has this sort of longer bang that you can, you know, piece out or not. You could bring the fullness up in this, tuck this back here over on the side. Oh yeah, that is cute. So that is Miss Suzanne. I'm actually very surprised that I like this one as much as I do. So I'm looking forward to doing a full review on her. We have 2 more for the unboxing for this Rene Paris Alexander Couture collection. And the next one is Jocelyn, and I have her in the color Coffee Latte. I have a bunch of styles in Coffee Latte from Rene Paris. This is a lace front wig. So you can see the lace front there. And she's in the beautiful Coffee Latte. This is probably more of a 6, a number 6 with a highlight. So this one is very cute. This is definitely one where you're going to need to play with this to get this in the right spot. I've seen it look multiple different ways on different people. Oh yeah, okay, here we go. But I definitely feel like this has potential. Okay, yeah. This one is just one of those ones where you're going to need to work with it. You know what? I actually think when I do the review, I'd like to do some like sea salt spray, because I think really enhancing these waves would be a great option for this wig. But she is kind of a full sort of shaggy situation. Yeah, she definitely has potential. And this is Jocelyn in the color Dark Chocolate. And last but not least is the one that I've been waiting for, and I think the one that I probably will wear today, so I'm very excited about it. And it is Miss Avalon in the color Melted Marshmallow. I do have her, I think, in Ice Blonde as well. So when I do the full review, I will have whatever colors I have on hand when I do the review. I will go ahead and make sure. This is one of the newer ones. Oh, yes. This is a newer style, so yes, I'm already in love. She is a lace front. You can see there. Full cap, no combs. She does have a little primitives in the front, which is not something I expected based on the pictures, but that's all right. I love this color. Now there is an Avalon from Aesthetica, so just keep in mind that this is not the same style. Again, I'm not doing like a full review. I just want to give you an idea of what this looks like. Yeah, there's a little bit of permatease right here. I'm not positive if she's heat safe. I don't recall off the top of my head, but I love this color so much. And I am going to wear her today. I'm interested to see what she's like in the Ice Blonde. This color, the Melted Marshmallow, definitely has a warmer root. So if you want something that has that, you know, iciness on the bottom, but you want something a little bit warmer close to your own roots, the ice or the Melted Marshmallow would definitely be it, because I know the Ice Blonde is a little bit more cool toned in general. So yes, this Miss Avalon, she's really cute. I'm going to put a little bit of dry shampoo. She's not as shiny as she looks in my lights, but she is a little bit shiny towards the blonde parts. She's comfortable. Yeah, that's what I have for you for this unboxing of these styles from the Alexandre Couture collection for Rene of Paris. I will have all the information down below where you can purchase all the details, what you have seen, and I hope to see you in another video for Tia Maria Wigs. You can find us online and all of our different socials. All will be linked below. Bye!